Here we are adding rational expressions in this video. Now, rational expressions are just variables that happen to have, just fractions that happen to have variables in them. Now, before you can add any two fractions, you have to have a common denominator. The bottoms have to be the same. And it's no different with rational expressions either. So as we're looking at this one, before we start trying to find a common denominator, I strongly recommend that you factor it out as much as possible. Now I've skipped ahead a little bit, and I've already done that here. What we have, top doesn't factor, but on the left-hand side, I took a 3 out of everything, so we have 3 times x plus 2. And on the right-hand side, using difference of squares, I factored the bottom being x minus 2, x plus 2. Now what we can do is we can figure out our lowest common denominator, our LCD. So what I want to do is I want to take each of the pieces on the bottom. I've got a 3 on the bottom, so my LCD has to have a 3. I have an x minus 2 on the bottom, LCD has to have an x minus 2. Now I've got a x minus 2 over here on the other side. That's already accounted for. I do have an x plus 2, so that also has to be on my LCD. So now everything that I have in my denominator is accounted for. I've got one of everything in my LCD, the lowest common denominator, which is going to be 3 times x minus 2 times x plus 2. So, now to do my LCD, I'm going to do the left-hand side first. 2x minus 2. That's just what we had before. The 2 parts I'm going to add in. They look, all right, look at my LCD. There's a 3. I've got a 3. I'm good. There's an x minus 2. I've got an x minus 2. I'm good. What I don't have is an x plus 2. So I'm going to times the bottom by x plus 2. I'm also going to have to times the top. And now I can do the other side.
Joanne Nicotine, line 1. Joanne, line 1.
Okay. Looking again at my LCD, my lowest common denominator, and look, I noticed that. Right. First thing is a 3. I don't have a 3 on the bottom. So, I have to times this by 3. I times the bottom by 3, I have to times the top by 3. Okay, I look at x minus 2. Got one. Look at x plus 2. Also have one of them. I now have the same thing on the bottom on both sides. It doesn't matter if they're not in the same order, as long if they're multiplied, as long as I have all the same pieces. Now, I can write up top as 2x times x plus 2. Other side, plus 3 times 3, all over one denominator, 3 times x minus 2. So now all over the same bottom, all I did was add the tops. Just give myself a little bit of room here.
Mr. Bells, to the office. Can to the office, please.
I'm going to multiply that out. So I end up with on top 2x squared plus 4x plus 9 all over 3 times x minus 2 times x plus 2. There we have the finished answer. Now you probably want to simplify that. It can be simplified, but I've run